Hey everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique.
Today, we're diving into one of the best rooftop cargo carriers on the market, the MeeFar Car Roof Bag XBEEK. If you're looking to maximize your vehicle's storage capacity for your next adventure, this might just be the perfect solution for you.
Let's start by talking about what makes this rooftop bag stand out.
The MeeFar XBEEK offers an impressive 15 cubic feet of storage space, crafted from 100% waterproof 600D PVC tarpaulin material. Whether you're hauling luggage, camping gear, or sports equipment, rest assured it'll stay dry and protected from the elements.
What I love about this bag is its ease of use.
It comes with everything you need: an anti-slip mat to keep it securely in place, 8 reinforced straps for a tight fit, 6 door hooks for vehicles without a roof rack, and even a combination luggage lock for added security. Installation is a breeze and can be done in just minutes, thanks to its soft shell design that allows for easy folding when not in use.
Worried about compatibility? Don't be.
The MeeFar XBEEK is designed to work with any car or SUV, whether you have a roof rack or not. Its universal fit makes it incredibly versatile for all your road trip needs.
Speaking of needs, this bag can handle it all. From 4 to 6 suitcases or multiple camping essentials, it's got the space to accommodate your belongings, allowing you to travel comfortably without compromising on storage. Durability is key when it comes to rooftop cargo carriers, and the XBEEK doesn't disappoint. Its high-frequency voltage technology and heavy-duty construction ensure it can withstand rugged adventures and frequent use without tearing or wearing down.
To wrap things up, the MeeFar Car Roof Bag XBEEK is undoubtedly one of the best investments
you can make if you're in the market for a reliable, spacious rooftop cargo carrier.
With its waterproof design, easy installation, and generous storage capacity, it ticks all the boxes for both convenience and durability.
Thanks for tuning in today. If you found this review helpful,
don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth reviews on the latest products. Until next time, safe travels and happy exploring.